So the way some of our customers are using this, obviously, mobile and online banking customer experience is sort of the number one use case, especially with visual AI, being able to make sure that the applications are showing the correct content across all the browsers, all of the devices that customers are going to be using. And brand validation across subsidiary banks is also kind of a huge thing with most of these most banking applications that where you've got smaller bank branches that have their own websites. You want to make sure that they're using your latest branding and make sure that they're complying with sort of your corporate standards. Public website visual validation. This is one where we're able to use our autonomous tool to actually scan your public facing website and use the sitemap to generate tests for all of those pages that are publicly facing. And then sort of the whole bank experience monitoring. So we can set up smaller tests that'll run on your production application if you'd like, or kick it off with CI/CD to be able to monitor changes that are coming through directly for that. So things on the back end where you have to authenticate and come in and test several of the pages that you would be using most commonly within the application, and then cover all of the rest with a simple visual scan of those pages. And then PDF validation. This comes up a lot, but Visual AI from Athline Tools is able to look at those PDFs, validate specific elements on them. You can name specific regions and say, hey, this is a text region. I want to make sure that this shows up as text. I want to make sure that this shows up as an image here and that the layout is correct. It's not overflowing into an additional page or anything like that. So very, very useful for things that traditional test automation wouldn't be able to cover there.